How to create a smooth text animation like this in After Effects. Insert your text to the composition, and you guys can add any adjustment to the text. Then expand the text layer. From the animate, select position, and from the add property opacity, and you can add position to 100 and opacity 0. Expand the range selector 1. In the beginning of the frame, put a keyframe negative 100 and go around 1 second, make it positive 100. Then from the advance, change the shape to ramp up and ease high to 25 and ease low to 100. Also, don't forget to enable motion blur. If you can see, you can switch the toggle from here, and our animation is ready. Also, if you want to add glow to the text, use glow effect from here, and just for the glow radius put 35 and intensity 0.8, and our glow text animation is ready. Also guys, if you like, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your thought. Thank you.